So we're here in Amwaj right now, looking at this fabulous piece of two-bedroom apartment which is available for resale. Um, as we walk into the apartment, basically I've seen something nice that this guy has done over here. Uh, we're supposed to have two rooms. I think they removed the sofa. We can always refurbish it or get a newer sofa for this. The hall is nice, beautiful interiors. I like the lights and everything is very beautiful. And that's a balcony overlooking the city and Tala Island. Nice furniture. Okay, what I like over here that this guy has done is that he's created a partition kind of a thing, which has made it into a closed kitchen space. So you can have the sliding door compartment, which makes it all the more feasible into a closed kitchen, and you can keep it open like an open kitchen as well. This part of the thing over here that I'm interested in also is the second room. Basically, this is room 2, which he has converted into an office space. You can always reconvert it into another room. Okay. And that's the guest toilet and the toilet for the room 2, with shower, of course. And if you move towards this side, you're gonna see the master bedroom. Nice, cozy, I like it. Also beautiful interiors, nice color combination, very good selective choice of the owner who wants to resell this apartment right now. That would be the bathroom for the master bedroom. So 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Yep.